Greetings, Agri lover. We will be showcasing to you today. May agriplex, agritanim tayo. A square gardening or small area gardening, a demo gardening from Tacloban City, in Philippines. So we will be showcasing to you the how you could grow or the types of plants that you may be able to grow in a meter area to grow plants of different variety, compatible variety, so you can grow it with intention of growing different kinds of plants in your area. So we have here a variety of plants such as cabbage, lettuce, also mint. We have mint here, so those are mint. Herba buena. Later we will see those housing for these. We have a butterfly peanut or the glutamate. We also have concoction. We usually use concoction for asthma here in our area. We call it clavo. Those green plants at the bottom, the succulents. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Stingless bee housing. They are fly-like bees with no stings. See, we have that's cabbage and cauliflower, and some other there. And we also have a dragon fruit. It's like a fruit in a cactus. They have taro there and some papayas and insulin plants. Also, they have nursery here, so in just a small area, you will be able to do a lot from nursery to planting to actually planting. And they also have papaya. So, with a small area, you can do a lot. And that's it. We would like also to hear your experience and your comment about a lot of things about this one. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Until next time.